So today we're hosting Farming Connect Open Day here. We're an innovation site for Farming Connect. The coverage today really is about looking at how we actually manage our upland units, how we farm off grass and specifically how we manage sheep within that environment. So we, at this time of year now, which is a good example in May, it's been a very late spring, so now grass is growing very quickly. So if you think that last week we were probably growing at about 40-50 kilos a day dry matter, by now we're about 80 kilos, and we know as soon as we get up to that sort of 80-100 kilo a day situation, we're actually having to manage grass very differently. So we have to put electric fences out, we actually put rotations into the system, and then we effectively take fields out of the system then so that we can actually conserve it for silage. So by doing that and by putting electric fences on fields, especially in an upland situation, you change the dynamic of that field. So you have hedgerows, and if you put electric fence across that field or two, you've created a very different environment for the sheep within that field. So we are trying to work with Bangor, which is the other part of today, which is to actually see how the wind flow, how the exposure on our farm operates, and how we are affecting that by actually having the rotational grazing systems in place here. So it's a combination of looking at sheep behaviour, where the exposure areas are around the farm, and a bit of intuition of how you then work that through. We've been doing a project with Farming Connect this last year and carry on into this year, where we're doing a frequent weighing or monitoring project, where all the lambs we have, and that's in excess of 1,000 lambs on the data set, will actually get weighed every 2 weeks from sort of 8 weeks onwards. And alongside that we measure grass, and then we make decisions then in terms of intuitively moving the sheep that aren't performing out onto other fields, so that we can actually keep their performance going. So there's certainly an environmental impact on changing how we farm, and there's an impact on the animal, and we're trying to work out the sort of key messages to farmers from that really.
Hello, I'm Janet Roden. I'm talking today about the frequent weighing project we did last summer. So this is really kind of bringing big data to upland sheep farming. We're using it to support our rotational grazing systems that we use here, and as an example to farmers about how taking advantage of the EID we've got in sheep, combining that with frequent weighing, we can monitor growth and alter our flock management to the individual needs of individuals within that flock as well as the whole. So for example, when we were weighing last summer, we noticed that some lambs were falling below target weight gain, and they went forward into the next covers at a lower stocking density and picked up weight gain in that, and then could join the main mob again. I think some of the key findings are that it is just a really useful tool to go along with the other monitoring that we have. So for example, with keeping an eye on weight gains over the season and very close on a 2-weekly basis, looking at them against target weight gains and other information that we were getting, we managed to bring a Pasteurella booster forward because we felt it was necessary in the sheep, and the weights added a bit of evidence to that decision. Also with mob fet counts, monitoring that through the season, the weight helps us make a decision as to when the best time to worm or maybe not worm. Measure and monitor the weight. That animal performance is an important part of the whole system, particularly when you're intensively grazing, as in a rotational grazing system.